I got the gin and lemonade, chillin' with a shorty I wanna commit to.
Oiga usted que está.
Girl, I'll get you riding on the stick soon. Girl, I'll get you riding on the full moon. Riding like a Rari, you stick moon.
Date la vuelta porque si no sales a contraluz.
Now you say you love me, but it's too soon. Now you say you love me, but it's too soon. Now you say you love me, but it's too soon. Don't get caught up in emotion. It's the liquor talking, I don't got emotions. I will take a dive in your ocean, drowning in the thoughts of you. I've been thinking about the times we had. Enough's enough. Wonder if we take it back. The words that we said was imagine up. Now we about to do the dash. Hopping up within you fast enough. If it's you between the cash, then I will pass you up. Woo. I got a bottle of Dusan, chillin' with a shorty I wanna commit to. Let's make the sweet and sour haze, and I'm with the homies chillin' in the VIP. Girl, I get you riding on this dick soon. We gon' get it poppin' on this full moon. That got a feeling rejected, so she just shut down. I was all about you, but there's no us now. I never had the heart to lose. Yeah, I'm wondering how to feel again. Off of the Mary Jane, we fall in love, then we break up. Tell me what's the game? Baby, don't hide. Tell me what you really see in me. Is it the money? Is it the sex? Tell me honestly. I got the gin and lemonade, chillin' with a shorty I wanna commit to. Let's mix the sweet and sour haze, I'm with my buddies and we chillin' in the VIP. Girl, I'll get you riding on the stick soon. Girl, I'll get you riding on the full moon. Riding like a Rari, how you stick move. How you say you love me when it's too soon? How you know you love me when it's so soon? Why you say you love me when it's so soon? Now you say you love me but it's too soon.
Date la vuelta. Ahí, levanta la mano. Era otra. Párale. Vaya por ahí la cosa. Esta tiene que venir conmigo. Lleva. El pedrusco, mira. Mira qué pedrusco. Este árbol.
I gave you jewelry and money too. That ain't all. That ain't all.
Aquí hay comunicación, ¿no?